Hello guys, for this video I just want to share how to change the solenoid valve of washing machine by yourself at home. So I'm using this is Panasonic washing machine which is 7 kg. So I unscrew all the screw from behind here and I remove this shield, and there is the water pipe tube. You need to remove these things. So after removing all the screw and you open up gently here, you have to be very careful that once you open your screw here, and remember that don't lose your screw. This happens once your solenoid valve is already get old and the water supply from your solenoid valve is not enough, so your wash the thing is getting longer and longer. In that case, your washing machine can be easily damaged. So you can open up here, and here there is the switch here. The switch also sometimes easy to break, and this is what I bought solenoid valve for this model. And just remove your connector here. So what I mentioned, one is the beside here there is one the door switch. So the door switch can be broken easily. You must be very careful when you open and when you close it back. So after you remove the connector from the solenoid valve and you remove it gently and you replace which that's you bought the new solenoid valve. So this is exactly the same things. You can buy original part or you can buy the cheaper part. That is up to you. So you just clean it up a little bit more and you install. So this can cause, once the solenoid valve is getting old and the water supply is getting less and less, and in that case your motherboard of the motherboard of this washing machine can be damaged. So this is the reason that you have to replace. If you can call technician, this must be very nice and very good. But if you cannot find the technician, you can try by yourself. And this is what I was mentioned. This switch is I was broken before one times, and I already replaced it. And now this time I changed the solenoid valve by myself. Hello, this is my daughter Grace Poppy. So you have to close it properly, and don't forget to screw all the screw things and put it back gently. You must be very careful that once you put back the spring, the door lock spring, otherwise your spring or the door switch can be broken. And this is what I was removed. So you must put it back, and remember that whatever you remove the screw and you tidy back all things properly, that's your washing machine can become the normal. So you close everything, you screw, and now we already changed our solenoid valve, and all the beside the screw we screw it back, and make sure don't left over the screw. And there's a spring here, you put it up a little bit and you press, you pull to press, and you slot. And this is pretty simple, but if sometimes if we are not used to it, and it's a little bit difficult. So once you're already used to open it up, then you used to do it. So this is very simple. Just make sure that you close your water incoming to your solenoid, and now turn on the power. Don't forget to turn on the water. So now we're gonna try to on the power, and now let's see the water is coming or not. Okay, here we go. We have a lot of water so that we can wash.
Yeah.
So otherwise, by the times, if your water supply is too less, then your motherboard will be getting hot, and this easily can affect to damage your motherboard. And sometimes automatically they will stop your washing machine. Here my daughter is so happy and easy.